Hi, and welcome to Storytime with Mr. Meaty Otter. Today our story is going to be called Noise, written by Joy Cowley. Julie had the radio on. Yucka-ducka, yeah, yeah. Brent had the stereo on. Yucka-ducka, yeah. Jason had the TV on. Yucka-ducka, yeah. Stop that noise, Mom yelled. Off went the radio. Off went the stereo. Off went the TV. That's better, said Mom. Listen, said Mom. What can you hear? Nothing, said Julie. Nothing, said Brent. Not a thing, said Jason. Keep on listening, said Mom. I can hear cars, said Julie. I can hear a saw, said Brent. I can hear an ambulance, said Jason. Keep on listening, said Mom. They listened and listened. I hear water, said Julie. I hear a bird, said Brent. I hear a bumblebee, said Jason. They listened for a long time. Then on went the radio, on went the stereo, on went the TV. Yucka-ducka, yeah. Thank you for listening to Noise by Joy Cowley.